Welcome to Wecan Engineering Solutions. Presenting our 100-liter electrical jacketed syrup manufacturing vessel equipped with a top stirrer. The machine is designed as per cGMP compliance standards. All product contact parts are manufactured from SS316, while non-contact parts are made from SS304. The top stirrer is pneumatically lifted, allowing easy and convenient material loading. A heavy-duty anchor-type stirrer powered by a gear motor ensures uniform mixing of syrup, while the stirrer speed can be easily adjusted using a VFD control panel. 3 pneumatic cylinders are provided to smoothly lift the top lid together with the top stirrer assembly. A viewing window with toughened glass is provided to observe the process inside the vessel. A bottom flush discharge valve ensures smooth and complete unloading of the syrup. All machine functions are easily controlled from this centralized control panel. Do contact us on our phone number +91 972 779 4689. Thank you.